Namaste. I'm Ezichiade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Well, as you know, I was in Scientology and I wanted to leave. And they imprisoned me and my family. And we miraculously were able to leave in a short time. Now, you probably wonder, if that's not all, what happened after that? Well, let's discuss that. First of all, if you're new here, this is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. We discuss esoteric science, spirit science, lightworker strategies. If that's your thing, make sure you subscribe, ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Now, after leaving the Church of Scientology, my family was under surveillance for about 6 months. You see, we moved not too far from the compound. We were able to come up with the cash to get a down payment on an apartment, and we got in there. It was not the best, not the most luxurious. It was definitely kind of ghetto. But I happened to notice someone on the corner who reminded me of a Sea Org member who I was actually close friends with. And when I noticed him, he backed up around the corner. When I got up there, he wasn't there. But I noticed a strange clicking on our phone. Whenever I would get ready to dial a call, I would notice this strange clicking in the background. I believe they tapped our lines. I believe they had us under surveillance to see if I would tell what I'm telling you today about their end game, their plans, and how they plan to execute these things. Now, it is a very odd thing that in the midst of all of the confusion that's going on right now, no one discusses anything about the Church of Scientology. Well, if there's any truth to what I say, then we are in deep trouble because no one is aware that there's even trouble brewing. So, if this is something you want to know about, type truth in the comments. Type truth so that we can together share the truth. And maybe we can do something before it's too late. In any case, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Like and share this video. It will help the channel in the algorithm. And if you want to acquire quantum orgonite, this of course will help you on your path by blocking 5G and other deadly radiations that are passing through us constantly. You can use the link in the description. Also, if you want to reach me on social media, use those links. If you want to just donate, use the links in the description. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.